first thing we're going to do in creating this class is create a contact block. This is the information, basic information the students can use to contact you. In order to do that, what we're going to do is you'll see in your class there's going to be this sidebar on the right that opens and closes. Here you're going to click add a block, and we are going to choose a text block. So you see this new text block has been added. So we're going to click here on the gear and do configure new text block. And here, this is basically simple text where we're going to put, and then here in the block content, you're going to write your name, how you want the students to refer to you as or know of you, including any credentials. You'll put your title, in this case, I'll say faculty member, and then you're going to put your contact information. In this case, I'm going to put my email. And then you'll also include how you want students to reach out to you in order to make an appointment. And typically, what I'll do here is meeting by appointment, where they would have to reach out to me to schedule an appointment. Something else that I like to add into these, especially for our online programs, is a way for students to connect with us in a different way. And one thing that we're using in the online programs is LinkedIn to help the students connect with us. So in order for students to connect with you on LinkedIn, if you go to your LinkedIn page and just copy the HTML, the URL link for your profile, if you highlight this whole text here, and then up here in this formatting bar, there's these kind of clips, links, chain links. If you click on this one, you can enter a URL, and you like to click open a new window to create a link. So when the student comes and clicks on this, we'll look at it right now, it'll go straight to this LinkedIn profile and they can connect with us. And there are different reasons we want them to connect with us on social media and these networking platforms for them to grow their professional networks, but also once they graduate and finish, they remain connected to us so we can include them in part of our network as well. Something else that we asked for you to add here is going to be a picture, but before I do that, you'll notice that there's these spaces in between. Typically what I'll do is I'll highlight and I'll click this formatting tool on and off, and that usually gets rid of the spaces really quick. But the next thing we want to do is add an image. So to add an image, what we're going to do is, again, in this formatting bar, you'll see here, insert or edit image. I'm going to browse for an image that I might have saved here. So there's a few different options. Sometimes if you have files saved in here, they might be already in here. Doesn't look like we have any saved, and those are for something else. So I'm going to upload a file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a file, and this will take you to your computer, to the file selector, choose my image. You have the image there. You'll put what you want to save this as, and you upload this file. You have the image there. For accessibility purposes, we can put a quick description. And then you can set the size of the image here. 100. Save image. It might be too small, too big, so you can double click it to edit it. And let's change it to 150. That's decent in the size. And then again, however you want to organize this information. But once you're done, where this block appears, you can choose where it shows up. Any type of course main page is absolutely fine. So that way it only shows when they're on the main page, not when they click on an assignment or a lecture or anything. You can put where it is, default weight, where it's listed. So 0 just means it's going to be, I believe, the first thing there. Visible, yes, right region, weight. So where it shows up, if we click Save Changes, now we see we have our contact block here. If they click here on this Connect With Me in LinkedIn, it'll take them straight here. They can start connecting with us. And that's it. The contact block is for yourself. You can add more faculty as needed if you're co-teaching the class or any other information you want to add that's relevant to the students in class and them contacting you.